No. Oh, yeah, there is. Here, Levi, paint one more. Yeah, it looks like 2 of our flowers fell on the floor. Yay, we had 2 extra to paint. Paint that one up, okay, Levi?
Can you paint this other flower? This one?
Uh-huh. Levi's back to painting his flower picture.
This for Mommy. Here, Mommy, this is your work.
Thank you, Pippi. I'll put it with the others so it can dry.
This one can dry too. And we're going to mix the purple when we mix the purple.
Yeah.
That green is going to mix.
Thank you, Levi. Thanks. Don't worry, we'll wash our hands when we're all done. Is it sticky? Sticky. Sticky on your hands.
What? A spider.
Ah,
Please take it off.
I'm not touching those painty hands right now.
There's a spider seal.
Oh well.
Spider.
Spider! Oh, look at that. You have 10 spiders. Hee. Squished them. You squished all your spiders.
Come to your forehead, Levi. Come to your forehead.
You got some paint on your forehead. That's okay. We'll wash his forehead when we're done.